Yo, what's going on? It's Nick. Welcome back to SG Rollerblading. Today we're at a different park. We're at the Glenview Park. Today we're going to be going over the Pornstar or Cornstarch, whatever you want to call it. Pretty simple trick. The Pornstar is exactly like the Mizu, except for you take that back foot and turn it the opposite way. One thing that's very noticeable about this trick is that when you want your back foot to go on, it's gonna want to slide way past the box or rail or coping. But once you practice it more, you'll get more control over that back foot and you'll be able to lock it on every time. I also personally find this trick a lot easier to do on coping or rails. Boxes and ledges, a little bit more difficult. So yeah, as long as you stay up on top of the rail, keep your centered balance, you should be able to get this trick in no time. So yeah, as long as you stay up on top of the rail, keep your centered balance, you should be able to get this trick in no time. This is SG Rollerblading. Catch you in the next one.